In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI Fix Text command to enhance your writing. This command makes your writing clearer and easier to read by selecting the right words, correcting sentences, and organizing your ideas, ensuring your message is straightforward. AI Fix Text works within chat conversations, ticketing, and the knowledge base. Here's how it works. When you're in a conversation or responding to a ticket, click the / icon at the bottom left corner of the chat screen, then select the AI commands icon. Choose AI Fix Text from the list, type in the text you want to improve, and hit Enter. To use it in the knowledge base, start by creating an article and adding a paragraph. Enter a /, click the wand icon and select AI Fix Text. Type in your sentence or paragraph, press Enter, and the command will automatically enhance your text for better readability and flow. For further instruction on how AI Assist works, please visit our AI Assist Academy.